What's up, fools? My name's Sawchyn. This is my bike. I ride a 20.75 inch top tube Garrett Reynolds frame. I got chrome Garrett Reynolds Fiend bars, my coder grips, S&M. Apparently they're like the best in the world. I wouldn't say so. Gave me mad calluses.
Fiend Invest forks.
Got a Merit inaugural stem. Really hard to say, but it works pretty damn good. I got a Fiend headset, Deadline seat, Shadow seat post, Shadow killer cranks in 165. Bought them because I didn't want to hit my back foot on my peg. I got Eclat contra pedals. They're alright. Got a Fit guard sprocket, Shadow interlock chain. My front hub's a Cinema VX with 2 BSD hub guards. Back hub is the Odyssey clutch with a kink drive side hub guard. I honestly wouldn't recommend getting this hub. It's caused me nothing but problems. The slack's only about 30 degrees. It engages all the time. I'm probably not gonna put any of this in now I think of it. Have 4 kink drift pegs. Terrible pegs. Bend on the first time you grind them. I got 2 Shadow Corvus, I think. 2 Shadow rims. Some black spokes. In the back, I'm running a Fit TA 2.5, nice and bald, at bald heads. In the front, I got a Fit FA tire. It's okay. It's pretty light. It does tricks. It grinds obstacles, and it gets me from point A to point B, which is all you can really ask for at the end of the day. So with that being said, have a great day. Quick shout out to my dudes over at Funky Threads, always keeping my kit fresh. Go buy yourself some stuff if you want to look fresh like me. Peace out, fellas.
What's that?